As a restaurant owner, it is important for you to grow your business online. And by this, we don't just mean to enlist your restaurant with food delivery apps. You need to have your own independent digital footprint. But lack of technical knowledge can put you back. You can hire someone to do so, but that can turn out to be pretty expensive. So, how can this be done? Introducing FeedYu, a SaaS platform that allows you to build your online presence with various tasks without any technical knowledge required. With FeedYu, you can create a custom website for your restaurant and create digital menus including QR codes. Best of all, FeedYu lets you take orders directly from WhatsApp. You can receive orders via chat. You can also accept digital payments, find out more about your customers, and get detailed reports about your orders and earnings with one platform. Sign up with us now. Visit us at www.feedyu.com.